welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I wanted to talk to you about your refrigerator. Make sure that you have a thermometer in your refrigerator so that you make sure that it's cold enough and make sure that it's not too cold and you're freezing your fruits and vegetables. That turns out to be a disaster. Also, they make a baking soda product which you can put in either the freezer or the refrigerator, and it gets rid of odors. Then, the other important thing is to tell you about the second box of baking soda. Keep this around when you're cooking in case you have a fire, and then you can just dump some of this on your food. Probably won't lose your meal. Also, of course, if you do have a fire, do not take the pan to the sink or outside. Put a lid on it, throw a towel over it as a last resort, and the fire will go out, especially if it's in the oven. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.